Let's take a look at our second type problem. This is being able to solve a nonlinear system of equations using addition or the elimination method. So we got x squared plus y squared equals 5, and 2x squared minus 3y squared equals negative 10. Well, first thing we have to do is line up our like terms. And we have the x squareds in the same column, y squareds in the same column, and numbers on the other side, so that's okay. And now we need to multiply one or both of the equations by a number such that either the x's or y's are additive inverses of each other. I'm going to choose the y's. Now, additive inverse means if this is negative 3y squared, this is going to be a positive 3y squared. So we're going to multiply the first equation by 3. So that gives us 3x squared plus 3y squared equals 15. And 2x squared minus 3y squared is equal to negative 10. So second equation doesn't change. And now the y's are additive inverses of each other. So I'm going to go ahead and add together the equations. 3x squared plus 2x squared gives me 5x squared. 3y squared minus 3y squared drops away. 15 minus 10 gives me 5. And now we want to solve for x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And we get x squared is equal to 1. Well, square root property. We drop off the squared and we put a plus or minus square root around the other side. And we'd get x is equal to plus or minus 1. We now take these values and we're going to plug them into either equation. First one looks a little bit easier. So I got x squared plus y squared is equal to 5. And I just said x was negative 1. So I'll plug in negative 1 for the x. Now negative 1 squared is a positive 1 plus y squared is equal to 5. Take the 1 over to the right side, becomes a negative 1. And we get y squared is equal to 4. Square root property, drop off your squared, put a plus or minus square root around the other side. And we get y is equal to plus or minus 2. Well, that means that we're going to have the answer negative 1, negative 2, and negative 1, positive 2. Now the other one, the nice part about when everything's squared like this, is if I plug in the positive 1 for the x, I get 1 squared plus y squared is equal to 5. And whether you're squaring a negative 1 or squaring a positive 1, it's still going to give you 1. So this is going to give us the same y values. You only have to do one side. So we're going to have 1 negative 2 and 1 positive 2. And those are our other two answers.